morning to all of you. In the previous class, we started discussing about different types of plants. We read in the previous class that plants are divided into two groups and they are non-flowering plants and flowering plants. In the previous class, we discussed about the non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are those plants that do not have flowers, and flowering plants are those plants that are filled with a number of colorful and beautiful flowers. Under the non-flowering plants, we read about the three different types of non-flowering plants: mosses, ferns and conifers are the three different types of non-flowering plants. Mosses are very small non-flowering plants which spread like carpets. All these non-flowering plants are mainly used for decorative purposes. Then we have the ferns, which are small plants with stems and leaves. Then we also read about conifers, which are very tall trees and they are cone shaped. So with this we finished the non-flowering plants. Today we will discuss about flowering plants. As you can see here, flowering plants have been divided into two parts, two types based on the number of seed leaves they have. Now, what are seed leaves? A seed leaf is a yellow fleshy part which is present inside the cover of the seed. If you have seen a gram seed, it has brown cover on it. And when we remove that brown cover, we see a fleshy yellow part. What is that? That is the seed leaf. But all the seeds have either one seed leaf or two seed leaves present inside the seed covers. Those seeds that have only one seed leaf is called monocotyledon. They are also known as monocots. Whereas those seeds which have got two seed leaves are called dicotyledons. Seed leaves are also called cotyledons. So if the number of the seed leaf is only one, then that seed is called monocotyledon seed. Whereas if the seed has got two seed leaves, it is called dicotyledon. As you can see here, I have drawn a picture of a corn seed. This is a corn seed, and you can see here, and this picture is also there in your book. If you can see, it's a single seed leaf. It cannot be opened in two parts, whereas if you take a gram seed or if you take a mango, you can see that you can cut it open into two parts. If you eat gram seeds, what do? We soak grams overnight, and in the morning the grams, they become bigger in size. So when they become bigger in size, they become soft, and it becomes easy for us to remove the seed cover of the gram seed. So when we remove the cover of the gram seed, what do we see? We see the fleshy part, yellow fleshy part, which are the seed leaves, and we can also open them in two parts. So we can say that the seeds of grams have got two seed leaves, two cotyledons. So they are under the category of dicotyledons. The examples for monocotyledons are rice, corn and wheat. Whereas the example for dicotyledons are mango, neem, sunflower and gram. If this is a dicotyledon, it can be opened into two parts, and in between these two seed leaves They are also known as cotyledons. These seed leaves are also called cotyledons. So the dicotyledons have got two seed leaves, and in between these two seed leaves we have a baby plant hidden inside. And when this baby plant get water, it gradually grows into a bigger plant. So with this we finish this chapter. I hope all the topics of this chapter are clear to you, and you have noted down all the worksheets that we have sent you in the WhatsApp group. Please go through all the videos of this chapter once again and revise the chapter properly. Thank you and have a nice day.